Hello everybody, welcome to Smart Trades with Brady. So this is about a trade that I took in NUVAMA Wealth. So it came to my notice when the stock made a hammer pattern here, and as you can see there was a nice falling wedge also as part of it. So I took the long. So height of the wedge is around 730 points, which it was achieved today. And while I was considering exiting, I noticed that the close is going to be above the all-time close. And if you can clearly see a keen eye can observe another pattern which is going on here, right? So there's a beautiful head and shoulder pattern also, right? So there can be another few hundreds of moves on this possible, so I left it as it is. So this is an example of combining candlestick knowledge with the traditional technicals. So this beautiful hammer here, and you can easily project it to get the detailed targets as well, right? So the target itself is showing as 57.24 and 61.64. So those are my targets for NUVAMA, and this is the trade that I am in currently, and which has given fantastic results despite the market conditions. So if you look at the right signals, right candlestick signals, and if you are combining with other factors, you get higher probability of a win. So that was it. Thank you very much for joining. Hope this was useful. Please do like and subscribe, and do share it with your friends. Thank you very much. Bye bye.